Explore science and mathematics through interactive 2D and 3D simulations with the Virtual Lab platform. Use the login credentials provided by your school administrator to access the platform. Select your class, subject, and topic from the dashboard to launch the simulation experience. Follow a structured classroom teaching sequence designed to support smooth and effective learning. Select subject, content type and grade. Click and explore the virtual lab. Understand about the tools present in the viewer panel. Press the ESC key to minimize the virtual lab. Access the structured lesson plans designed specifically to assist teachers. Understand the key concepts, definitions, and important subject terminology. Explore visual presentations that simplify and explain concepts effectively. Follow step-by-step instructions to use the virtual lab. Assess your understanding through the self-evaluation quiz. Click through the navigation bar to explore different sections, components, and detailed explanations with ease. Modify values and watch the graph update instantly to understand patterns, relationships, and changing results. Roll the dice, move the pawn, and learn concepts through an interactive game-based experience. Drag, drop, and arrange objects to complete activities and explore concepts through hands-on interaction. Use the arrow keys to control movement, collect items, avoid obstacles, and learn through interactive gameplay. Fill in answers directly within the text to create an interactive and engaging learning experience. Click directly on objects to enter values, answer questions, or interact with simulations in a focused way.